Hello, meet Dave.
Dave here. He passed his girlfriend his iPhone 6, which she dropped.
Here we see the aftermath. How could you? I'm sorry, it was an accident.
Here's Dave explaining how they first met. When we first met, it was love at first sight.
Hey, I've heard of cell phone repair solutions. What can they do? Here we see Dave searching for cell phone repair solutions.
Now it's time to search for our cell phone repair solutions to see their services in a more effective way. Hey, can I come in to get my iPhone 6 screen fixed? Sure, we can get that done today or tomorrow. Sure, I'll come in tomorrow. Here we see Dave, excited to finally get his phone fixed, as he's standing outside cell phone repair solutions. Hey, I called. I'm Dave. Great, Dave. Yes, we're expecting you. Just hand us your device and we'll be done in a half an hour. Those guys are amazing. Excellent service. As you can see here, my phone screen is fixed. Cell phone repair solutions. Feel free to call us at 587-600-0337.